Good day, sir.
Oh, Papi, hi.
I'm calling you. Where's your phone?
Thing is, my phone. I left it in the room. I was sleeping and it was silent. You know how it is when I try to take a nap. You told me you were coming next weekend. What happened?
Yeah, a few things changed and I cut my trip short, you know. And I have been calling you right from the airport.
I'm so sorry, darling. I'm deeply sorry. I would have picked you up from the airport.
Who's the young man?
Mechanic, sir.
Mechanic, what's the problem?
I wanted to go to the market this afternoon. I don't know what happened. The car refused to start. You know?
My car refused to start out.
I don't know.
That's strange.
Very strange. So, Theophilus here actually called him. He said he's really, really good.
What, you called a stranger to touch my car?
Oh, I did not. He did.
Why didn't you call Ade?
Why didn't you call Ade?
Yes, sir. I call Ade. I swear, I call Ade. Ade tell me, say, a wife waiting for village born. Say, in the village, say, you know, if you come. I tell you.
Yes, that's true.
That's also very strange. Ade's wife, what, put to bed?
Yes, I heard so. You know, I heard she put birth to a baby girl or boy. Girl.
He tell me, say, if a wife work for phone.
Yes, so he had to, but he's good. I'll have that.
All right, thank you. I'm tired.
All right.
Bye.
Fix this. All right.
Oh no, I just feel somehow with that stranger fiddling with my car.
Why?
Why not? You know?
But Theophilus says the guy is good.
Really?
Yes.
By his standards?
Please, come on.
Sorry, sir. That mechanic, is it that side though? I tell you, hi, my friend, come out here. He tell me, say no. Say the work where he work, say the never pound. Say money now 25,000 naira for a work man. Can you imagine?
For what exactly? What did he do?
I don't know. Yeah? 20,000 for ordinary just touch one or two things. Now they call 20,000. Yeah? It was in a day. Wow, 5,000. You don't come out. Just come out. In peace, oh. Yeah? This is your job, the doctor.
That's okay. Sweetheart, I have some money in my breast. Okay. The jacket upstairs.
Okay. All right. I'll get it. Are you sure he fixed it well, yeah?
Well, we'll get to find out.
Someone just said, I even push up what? What he said, 20,000 naira. Just...
Theophilus.
Sir?
Please.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
The man is just... Come on, just touch one or two things.
Theophilus.
Sorry, sir.
Stand outside.
Sorry, sir.
Wait a minute. For real, you got the contract.
I told you I would.
My goodness, this is amazing.
Right.
Congratulations, baby. Look at you. I'm proud of you.
So here's the plan, right? Is after the execution of the contract, I put some money aside so that we can finally have our white wedding.
Shut up.
That's what I want to do with my profit.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm not shouting. I'm just so much more excited. I can't believe this. Our wedding. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. It's been long overdue, if you ask me. And then I think we need to start planning. So tell me, where are we having the white wedding? Because I want it to be a destination wedding. I don't want. But if we're going to have it here, Then there is this hall in Lekki. My goodness, that hall is amazing. I went for a wedding in that hall. It felt like I was in a fairyland. I mean, there was this touch, this vibe. And then our friends were coming from the US, from UK. I have everybody around. My friends, my bridal shower is gonna be see, man. And my wedding dress. Yes, I need to contact that lady. There is this embroidered wedding white flawless dress I saw on her page. My goodness, it is heavenly. I can't wait to see. And the best part of it is the color of the day. It's been my dream to have gold, champagne gold. I don't want to miss it. And red.
Can you slow down?
No, imagine the picture, baby.
Just slow down.
Marching in your tuxedo, in my white flowing dress, and you.
What is it, Theophilus?
Oga no verse. Na no be you, na madam I will follow talk.
Theophilus, what is it?
Are they hungry now? Are they hungry? You supposed to know say they hungry now, and everything won't make a big person they talk.
Hey. What? What was that? What? Is it my wife you're talking to like that?
Oh, I don't understand.
Babe.
No. Did he just talk to you like that?
Babe, calm down, okay? The thing is, do you know how he is when he's hungry?
Exactly.
Look at his eyes. It just, it feels like, you know what they say, a hungry man is an angry man.
No, I don't get it. It's not making sense to me. Did you see what he did? Who made you the boss around here? What, you sashay into my living room and you talk to my wife in that tone?
Theophilus, allow me handle it, baby. It's okay.
Me?
Babe, no, he didn't mean it that way. Come on, you know him. You know what you used
Theophilus, come here. Stand here.
Sir?
Stand here. I'm talking to you.
Babe, say, wait.
When did you become the boss around here that you stroll into my living room and begin to talk to my wife in that tone?
Babe, it hasn't got into that. Babe, it hasn't got into that. Why don't you just
What's that chip on your shoulder?
I wake up the day.
Babe, let this slide, please.
Let what slide?
We don't have to see this was
Get
spoil
out.
our-
You know what? Get out. Out. Get out.
Oga, see, no. If I tell you, you don't understand, though. If I tell you, you can't hunger when you hold me here. See, if I open mouth,
Babe.
something will go fall out for this mouth. Person, you don't understand. You don't understand this kind of hunger. Okay? See, person, feel open mouth now. No, bastard!
Babe, come on.
What? Is this how you indulge him?
No! I mean, why would I do that? But you've always wanted me to be friends with him. I mean, sometimes I shout and I hit him, but you stop me. You shouldn't condescend.
Oh no, that's unacceptable.
I know.
Can you imagine that maggot that I picked off the street talking to?
Babe,
Since when?
I don't know.
What is going on?
Babe, calm down. It's just... Listen, I have given my life to Christ. I am closer to God right now, and I don't think it's right to treat people like that.
No,
especially
that
our
didn't
staff.
happen. That didn't happen.
Okay.
That did not happen.
Yes, it did not happen.
No, it did not happen.
We are just going to let it go. Please. Okay? I'll just go in and serve the food.
No, you will not do that.
Shh! I'm gonna call you dummy.
Who is that?
I want you to concentrate. Take your eyes off the guys. This is not the time to be distracted. Make sure that you come out with good grades and, the world will be your oyster. I assure you.
Is that Henry?
All right then, we'll talk again soon. Bye. Chris.
Oh my God. You will not kill me.
What is it? Is it not Henry you're speaking with?
Alex, for God's sake, Alex, not your flirting Henry.
Wait, Alex? You mean your friend's husband? Is that why you're acting like you're in love?
I'm in love with this dude, girl. I mean, I have to confess to you.
You're not okay. I think it's fever. Something is wrong with your brain. Have you done your assignments?
What? Are you serious right now? I'm not bluffing, girl.
Are you for real? You're not bluffing. You had better be bluffing. You mean you're here dying for your friend's husband?
Look, he only paid her bride price. Anything can still happen. I mean, even the songwriter says overtaking is highly allowed.
God forbid. I reject that. How can you even think of such? See, Henry is your man, and you had better start thinking of him in that manner.
Who is talking about Henry? No, who is talking about Henry? That flirt. Oh, please. He's the only one I'm managing for now.
Oh, I'm just hearing that now. So you've been managing him. Let me tell you something. You had better start loving that guy. I mean, who in this our generation will love a girl the way Henry loves you? And you're here joking. You don't know what you have, oh. Until you get to lose that guy, you will understand.
And I really do not care. I don't care.
Really? You don't care?
Whatever.
Babe, what did you cook?
I cooked your head.
No, I don't have anything to say to you. You can't be dreaming of somebody else's husband.
Please, allow me to enjoy my call. In peace. Thank you. Henry this, Henry that.
My goodness, what do I do? This fool would not expose me one day. Theophilus, how do I handle this young man? I have lost every form of respect in this house. Theophilus has overstepped his boundaries. Finds out about this, he is not going to find it for me. I need to do something about this. God, just get me out of this situation already. Just get me out of it.
You cannot send me that. Eh? You can person go just carry him follow man. Put for house, they insult them. Idiot. See, make I tell you, make I just tell you. You see this nonsense where they insult me. I don't like him. I don't like this insult. How you go this man go try to insult me now? Yeah, I don't just like that insult.
Theophilus, you self, I don't like the way they behave. I don't like the way you act. Why do you disrespect me in front of my husband? Eh? Why could you talk to me like that in front of my husband?
Which your husband be that? No, which nonsense husband be that? Which kind of respect be that? See, I don't try him. No, I don't tell you. I know just like him. I know like him.
Theo, why are you behaving like this? Was this what we agreed? Eh? We had an agreement. Why don't you stick to it? You know, sir, I just they try make idea for this relationship. Not only my bride price they don't pay. They never marry me fully. Oh. Why do you behave like this now? Why do you do like this? The way they talk to me now, you go make my husband the suspect say something.
Which can suspect be that? No. Who they cause him? Now me they cause him. Not my fault. No, they tell me I beg. I don't like him. See. I don't tell you. Not my fault. No. I should talk. Not my fault.
Why will you talk to me
Which
like
can
that?
inside?
Why will you talk to me like that?
See. I beg. No, as I did that, I heard they hurt me. I know well here. I know well here. They tell me let's say my fault. Tell me to bring my fault. I know they control me. I beg. They control me.
Sorry.
I dey here, sir. They play my game clean. I know you call the talk say my behavior. Which kind of behavior? What you carry behavior come here now?
Siona, the foul language you they use, I don't like.
Foul language?
I don't like it.
I beg, give me food, Jare. Give my food, bring them. I hope say you put foul for here. He put foul for here. I dey talk, they look me
foul. They inside.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now? You know, which kind I go carry one lamp for me here. I talk about chicken, say you go to give me two. You carry one, they tell me what tell me again now?
So what do you mean I should give you two chicken lamp? Not be a head and a leg of fowl you they chop before. I gave you one whole chicken lap. Are you asking me to give you 2?
Which can nice one be that command?
No.
Which can fine? Thank God you talk saying that before. Now before why they chop fowl head and leg. That's why they suffer. Yes, before website never know you. No be now. If I tell you carry food, I be dog. You cannot say me that see food. See chicken will put for me, and my dog will deserve the food for. Put two.
The chicken lap remaining inside the pot is for my husband. I cannot give it to you.
Oh, now the thing where you talk. Oh, with authority. And you talk one command. Fine, no problem. So that's what it be.
Oh, yeah, don't worry. I'll give you the chicken.
Now you talk with the squeeze your face.
No, me I feel squeeze face. Who I be? Why I go squeeze face?
You go
smiling.
You go carry put more. One lap, one chicken laps. Make it 2. Make it be two laps. You understand? And again, as they go inside on your Wi-Fi, you be like say off am. You understand? Because I know one can disturb me for we on day. You understand? You hear me? You hear me? If I say you understand, tell me say make I know say you understand.
I understand.
Good. Don't forget to bring one full pack of juice. We go juice. Now you know no juice again.
No, I know juice.
Pack one we go. Make I take use and dilute this food. You understand?
Okay.
You understand now?
I understand.
Make sure say you put away. You add that juice. Don't forget the juice, and then don't forget to all. And they talk they come out.
See you, I don't hear you now. You say make I bring juice, I dey go bring am.
Then on your Wi-Fi. People are saying off am. I no one can disturb me like I talk. I no one can weird that idiot they disturb you.
Okay.
You squeeze face?
No.
Go. Come not say me that. No, the chicken and the juice.
I hear you.
Come. See. Come. Come now, you. Good. No, I think say na vex. I think say na vex.
Who born me why I go vex?
No forget what I tell you. What I talk. You remember?
One pack of juice and to on Wi-Fi.
You don't remember to add it?
I want chicken lap.
You are sharp, quick. No waste my time, beg. Come, which let me do by far.
See, I don't follow you talk now. Let me go and bring the chicken lap now. I want to sit.
Oh, na vex. Okay, no problem. Now go to.
Oh yeah, no vex. Let me go and bring it. Oh, here you are, babe. How are you?
I'm okay. What is it? Why are you twisting and twisting? What is it?
Don't act like you don't remember.
What are you talking about?
Baby, promise to give me some money. Have you forgotten?
Money again?
Yes. I told you that I needed money for something.
Remind me. And how much?
₦1 million. Come on, babe, don't act like you don't remember. I told you.
Yeah, we talked about $1 million, I remember now, but we also agreed that I'll give it to you after I'm done with the contract.
No. Babe, come on. I can't wait. I need that money for something very urgent. In fact, I need to send the money to my parents. My mom has been calling over the phone, and you know how it is when a mother calls you, crying on the phone that she needs money.
Yes, I know, and that's why I gave you 500,000 naira last month. You forgot to give to your parents.
I am.
You remember now?
Yeah, yes, of course I do. But they need more money, and it's very important. I swear. Please. Please. Please.
Okay. Sima, you're stressing me out.
I'm sorry.
You're stressing me.
I'm sorry.
Are you trying to kill me?
Why would I kill you?
Don't kill me.
I can't live without you.
Are you sure? Okay. Let me get to the office tomorrow. I'll see what I can put together. At least for now. Maybe not up to $1 million, but at least for now.
That's okay.
All right?
Thank you.
You're going to squeeze the life out of me.
That is what I'm meant to do.
Lord have mercy, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I just told Theophilus to get the car ready and get back to me in a few minutes. I need to see someone in town quickly. But in the meantime, can I have something light? While I wait for him, just something to nibble on. You know.
Okay. Something like
chicken. Fried chicken. That'll be, I don't want noodles. Yeah, fried chicken. What is it?
The thing is, the chicken is finished.
How? What are you talking about? I saw chicken in the pots when I went to the kitchen.
I'm not lying to you. Come on.
Let's check it then. Should I go and check?
No, you don't need to. I'm not lying to you.
So what happened to it?
We ate it.
Okay, please. Can I have a glass of juice? When I drive out, I eat something. Glass of juice. With ice. That'll be nice.
Okay. A glass of juice.
But we don't have that one too?
No. Yes.
We don't?
I mean, we do. I'll just,
Okay.
get the juice.
What, we don't have that too?
You said a glass of juice, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. I'll get it. No, don't worry, it's okay. Sit down. I'll check.
Please, will you come and bring my phone, please? Thank you.
God. What do I do right now? What have I gotten myself into? Theophilus has finished me in this house. There is no juice in the fridge. How do I even tell Alex that the juice is finished? My goodness, what do I do? Theophilus, I am under that idiot's mercy. This is so heartbreaking for me. God, Eva, what do you tell Alex now? What will you tell him? God help me.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah,
Babe.
yeah.
What's keeping you? What's the hold up?
The thing is,
What's the drink?
we ran out of juice.
Nah, that's no point. I saw juice in the kitchen.
Yes, we had like 3 packs in the kitchen, but
Yes, exactly.
I drank it.
And you didn't see anything? Come on now, come on. We're just talking about a glass of juice here. You knew it was finished. You didn't see anything.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you want to have some.
Why won't I? And besides, you don't. This is strange. You don't take juice. I'm the one who takes juice in the house. It's such a thing.
That's something we haven't talked about. The thing is, my system changed. You know, suddenly I started craving for juice. I don't even know why. I'm sorry.
And you get someone to get another. Restock. You just take. You drank it and you kept quiet. Now I want to drink and.
Please. I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry.
You might have to make food for me at this point because I need to, I'll drink something before I head out. But it's fine. Once I go out, I'll find something to snack on.
Okay, but we have water. I can get you water and then maybe try and put something.
Do we have water?
Come on.
Are you sure we have water?
Of course we do have water.
All right, cool. Let's have water if we have water.
I'll get you water.
Everybody will know that's a secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it?
Hey, so here we go. I told you.
For somebody know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Mom, this woman, she wouldn't let me be. That money, she's been calling me all day because of that money. And I told her I was going to send it. I don't know why she's still calling. I think I should just send her a message, yeah? Okay, Why did you behave like this, eh? Why are you doing this to me? I thought we had a deal.
Come on to wash car now.
I don't know how to wash car. I've never washed a car in my life. Eh? How do you want me to wash this car now? Theophilus, this is not fair now.
Oh, you never washed car for your life before?
I don't know how to wash a car.
Okay, fine. Say, you sabi bath, Abi? You sabi bath? Eh? Bath the car. If not the wash, then they confuse you. Bath the car. Just bath and well. Bath, concentrate on the wheel. You know, say, Oga no they like make a wheel dirty. Bath the wheel well, make the wheel dey sharp. You understand? Yes, you do them now. As you don't watch this car now, you don't sweet you. Let me say you go feel watch your husband car now. They do like that. If they say they do like that, nobody, you are for anybody, you don't feel quarrel with anybody. Yeah, they will concentrate on that side though. You see, that's how I tell you. Go.
What is it?
What nonsense be that? What did be fear for my face? That's why they wash car.
But I saw you they wash them. Why you they wash them now?
Okay, that's why they wash them. If they talk to me, I go carry the car. They rag. They do fear face.
He touch you?
No, don't be serious. Don't touch you. What touch you?
No vex. Sorry.
Wash the car, man. Carry the seat. They put my face. No man. Respect yourself, oh. God. I get special.
You've lost.
Sir?
Have you seen my wife?
No. She inside now.
No, she's not inside now. I'm just coming. I mean, if she were to be inside, I wouldn't be here asking you if you've seen her.
No, I don't see her. She go inside. She go. I just said she go inside.
No, she's not.
Never come out this morning. I never see her. This morning, no. She inside.
Hey. What? You haven't finished washing my car?
No. Now the car be the wash, so now peace.
And what happened?
That peace, that word I just say make her rush inside to go.
It's almost an hour since I told you to wash my car.
I don't wash answer. You go see now say the other side. No.
What other side? What are you talking about? You haven't even touched.
Sir, now.
What are you saying?
Sir, I don't. This side. Sir, now I don't nearly wash the car to just dry and finish. I don't finish, sir. See now. See now the car. You don't see now.
Theophilus,
sir,
I have to go out.
Okay, sir.
This car better be ready in 5.
In 5? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll be out here in 5 minutes. If this car is not ready, I'll deal with you.
You go there ready, sir. No problem, sir.
Hope he did not see my phone.
No, you don't see. See. You go just go inside now. Make I help you wash the car. You understand? You see that 30,000 we talk say you give me 30,000.
So Flos, you the Chris?
What do you mean the Chris?
I've finished washing the car now.
Oga, I be LEP, Kerelenke. You understand? So no, that 30,000. You don't talk and say you give me 30,000.
I can't punish you.
See, I don't tell you 30,000. Correct. LP 74, LP 75, 100.
Babe.
Yes.
Is that? I've been looking for you everywhere.
Oh, really? I was at the backyard.
I was calling out. You didn't hear me?
I didn't hear you
I
calling.
went outside looking for you. I didn't see you. What? You didn't hear me? What were you doing?
I was on the phone with my mom. Yes, she was calling me while we were here, so I tried calling her back while I was in the kitchen. The network was pretty bad, so I stepped out to make the call.
How's she feeling?
It's not easy. I mean,
that woman's health is deteriorating by the day.
Oh, sorry, stop panicking, all right? I already told you I'll make the money available so that, we can just add to her treatment so she stays alive. What can we do?
Babe, that's not the issue.
What's the issue?
That woman's health is taking a lot from me.
But I am here with you. I'm standing by you. I'm not complaining. All right? I'm going to make another 1 million naira available, and if that doesn't do anything, I think we'll begin to consider the option of flying her abroad. Yeah. For better health care. We don't want her dying on us. A lot of people in this country, Nigeria, die untimely because of bad leadership. Healthcare in this country is the worst in the world. People are dying every day. Why? Because we have leaders who won't do nothing for their people. Huh? When they have their family members sick and their girlfriends sick, they fly them abroad. As we speak, their kids are abroad studying. It's terrible. It is terrible. So if you want to live long in this country, better have some money to save your own life and fly yourself abroad. I know that it's pinching our pockets, but what can we do? Don't be like that. Mama will be fine. All right?
Thank you.
It's okay. It's fine.
Thank you.
I wish that one day, we have a law in place that says that all public servants, in government parastatals, cannot have their family schooling abroad. They must school here and cannot go for medical care. Outside the country, they have to be here, get treatment here. So if they mess up the country, they die with the country.
Yeah.
If they do right by their people, they live long and reap the fruits of their labor. It should be what it is.
Yeah.
I think that the current constitution of our country just allows for a lot of nonsense, and that is why this country is a mess. And they have refused.
Okay, from my heart, I am saying I'm sorry. I don't want this to continue lingering. I'm tired. I'm tired of this quarreling. I am tired of it. I'm sorry.
Madam, let's go.
No, please. We need to settle this here and now. I am tired. I'm tired of this quarreling. I'm tired of it.
Christopher, please listen to me.
No, Henry, tell me, settle. I don't have time.
All right, Christopher, can I at least take you girls home?
Don't worry, we're fine. We don't need your help. Madam,
Christopher, don't worry, I will speak to her.
will you come or not?
Christopher, I am sorry, Christopher. I am sorry.
Henry did not kill anybody. I mean, you were there, you saw her. You saw her smooshing all over him. And you knew she was just doing that to get you upset.
Anne, I don't care. Look, I do not care. It happened and that is it.
Really? Have you forgotten that I've once escorted you to your ex's place? And you almost slept over, if not that I protested.
I was not dating Henry.
Oh, come off it, you're lying. What is that? We have gone there like 4 good times. See, you're just lusting after this guy, Alice. And this is your friend's husband, for crying out loud. What is wrong with you?
Look, Anne, I don't know why you're really making my issue your issue. Because, okay, fine. I will not talk about Alex or Henry or whoever. That's fine.
You see this show that you're carrying? Very soon, Henry will leave you and I will see what will become of you. See this show that? Keep carrying yourself. Keep carrying yourself, Angel. Because Henry, they look your side. They do anyhow.
The thing here is I don't even like Henry anymore. I don't. Can't you see?
You don't?
He's just trying and forcing himself on me. I don't like him.
Whatever. Suit yourself.
Henry this, Henry that. You don't like Henry. You don't like Henry. Go and like him now.
You will soon get that thing you're looking for.
Okay. So, the only image I want in your head today when you get to the office is mine. No one else.
Of course, the image of you, just you, baby.
Okay.
Sweetheart, remember the laundry guy?
Oh.
Yeah, don't forget to call him to come pick.
I actually forgot that.
Thanks. I'll just drop this here.
Okay.
And you have a beautiful day. The door is locked.
Theophilus! Open the gates!
Theophilus!
Say something.
What, did you not see me try to drive out?
Now the gate I won't open now. Now small. No be.
What is the sluggishness about? What is wrong with you?
Sluggish ba.
Oh, what is that you're wearing?
Na my clothes. What did they for house?
Huh? What is this? Why are you not in your work uniform? Huh?
Oga, today na Friday. Today na Friday now.
Did you hear him? So today being Friday says that you cannot show up in your work uniform.
You know, say today will be Friday. Today na Friday now, and the weekend they start today. They start today. So I think when they say weekend like this now, no more uniform. At least uniform go start from Monday night till Thursday, Friday if I are free.
And you made the rules. Theophilus, in my own house. I'm talking to you. You made the rules in my own house. Theophilus. Come here.
Sir?
Come here.
Come here. I don't smoke here.
Come here.
Sir?
Come here.
Nah.
Come here or you lose your job right now.
Sorry, I don't say.
At the count of 3. 1.
See me, no.
Come here.
Move. Sabi ko do here I almost say. Sabi ko. Sabi ko. No, sorry sir.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing that's wrong with me.
Have you started smoking weed?
I didn't smoke anything. You see me when
I'm talking to you. Have you started smoking weed?
No, I don't smoke. No, I don't smoke anything.
You see this thing? Huh? That you and this little boy smoke that makes you think that you are ahead of every other person. I'm going to break your neck. The next time I see you at your duty post without you being in your work outfit, before I fire you, I would have you arrested. Are you out of your mind? What is wrong with you? I'm going to take 5,000 out of your salary.
You don't say the money don't plenty. You want to think about 5,000.
Are you grumbling?
No sir.
Did you just raise your voice?
Are you talking back at me? No sir.
I'll make it 10,000.
Somebody, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. See, I don't get. See from this side. Then I make it. I don't know. You didn't get that. Big, I don't come out the now. The cloud don't come out the I don't come out. Big, son, you didn't get, sir. The cloud don't come out there. I won't go inside, go wear my uniform. My uniform, you know inside, water, I wash out, you know water. I won't go wear another with the water, sir. So because, now.
My friend, close the gates.
I know we talked about this earlier today, but for some reason I just can't. I can't shrug off this feeling that something is wrong with Theophilus, you know. There's no gainsaying asking if you saw him, because I know you saw him, but really, baby, did you see him? That is strange. something is wrong. You know, he like a daisical approach to his work, not being his uniform, making up stories, and that's on one side, but your reaction, you're taking too much from him lately. I've been watching you. You know, what's going on? Now you're more tolerant, you condone his excesses. You were never like that. You know, you've always been the one here, you know, making sure that he falls in line, scolding, you know, stopping him from being stupid. But these days it's more like you're always on his side. What? Protecting him. Yeah, that's it. Protecting him. What's going on?
That's what you've always wanted. When I shout and scream and talk, you try to calm me down. Don't you like that part of me?
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, darling, maybe you haven't noticed, but I am closer to God right now. And, you know, being close to Christ comes with being compassionate towards others. Same way God loves us is the way we should love our neighbors. I mean, life is easy. We should love other people and treat them the same way we want to be treated. And that's how I see Theophilus now. I just feel I haven't treated him well in the past. I'm just trying to make up for those times. And I think you should give him that chance as well.
Mm-hmm.
Please.
Not when he's being unruly.
No, please.
Let's see what he did.
I saw that. And you need to understand that sometimes he acts like there is something going on upstairs. But I talked to him, and I will make sure I keep talking to him. He's going to change. Let's just give him the chance. Please. I know you're a good man, and I know you have sympathy towards others. Please, let's just keep up with him for a while. I'm sure he will change. And the thing you said about deducting his salary, we don't even pay him enough. Taking out 10,000 naira is a lot of money. Please, just let it slide. It won't happen again. I'll talk to him. Okay? I know that's a yes. Thank you. Meanwhile, I forgot I have something in the kitchen, and we don't want your favorite meal to be burnt. We don't want to serve it burnt. I'll be back in a bit. Oh, please.
What's your problem?
You this bastard! Did you not hear me honking?
No, sir.
Are you sick or something?
No.
Did you not hear me honking? Do you know how long I was out there honking? Are you crazy?
Sweetheart, calm down.
I am sorry, man. Because I don't even... Sorry.
Are you sick?
Sorry.
What's wrong with you?
Sweetheart, calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. I was out there for 3 seconds, honking for this idiot to get to the gates for me.
I know he gets that way sometimes. What is your problem?
I was... For that bag,
Oh, please shut up. You don't have anything to say. Are you sick in the head or
sorry,
something?
man. Sorry. It don't go happen again. Sorry, forgive me. It don't go happen again.
Now, listen to me and listen good.
Yes, ma'am.
This should be the very last time I will spend a second out there waiting for you to open the gate.
Mabasi, what I will do to you, you will not like it. Your ancestors will not even recognize you. That is even if you have ancestors. Bastard.
Because
Open your mouth. You like yes? Wait for you another time again.
You brought this upon yourself, you know. You brought this upon yourself. That's your problem.
You're supposed to man the gate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I suppose that I don't hear the song. I don't know what they do with my best. That's you go come. Yeah, and they try to jump up. Thank you for what this is, sir.
It's all right. Sorry, huh?
I don't know what I do, but why my dad they hate me this way?
I'll talk to her.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Stop.
Okay, just calm down, please. What is it? What's the problem? What is going on? Yes?
I quickly came out here, took my clothes and asked him to wash them. The next thing that came out of this just mouth is, Madam, they now employ me to wash clothes, not only to close and open gates.
Okay, Sam, now, you come in Calabar.
You still talk?
Yeah.
Are you mad? Are you mad? This idiot! But you can eat my food. You can go to the kitchen to come and ask me for food.
I'm here now. I'm here.
I don't know.
Hey.
No sense, Annie.
Okay.
Calabar dog.
No, okay, you see, you come in Calabar dog.
It's okay. At least you know you're not a dog.
Yes.
So calm down.
He come here, and they here now. All of a sudden, wow, cloth. I tell them, say, my job for this house now to open gate and to close gate. Say, I know they wash. Say, I be gate man. Say, I know be dry cleaner. Finish. In the same, wow. If you keep it, begin saying, you come here, Calabar dog, or Gabi dog.
You're not a dog. It's okay. Come on, it's fine. Listen. All right. Truth is, it's not your job to do laundry. Okay, we'll have a laundry guy that comes to pick stuff up.
God bless you, sir.
But if you want to wash, you do that out of your own goodwill. You shouldn't be forced to do it. But I'm going to talk to her. Okay?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Just
thank you,
calm
sir.
down.
I don't know what I do, madam.
No.
You're a good man.
No. She's probably having a bad day. It's nothing serious, I'm sure.
Okay.
Just put this aside.
Yes, sir.
While I have a word with her. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just sorry about that. Just calm down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hi.
That's how we keep condoning no nonsense in this house. What rubbish.
If I wait to happen.
I went out to meet that idiot, that non-entity that calls himself my gate man. I asked him to wash my clothes. The next thing that idiot was spitting is that, madam, they no employ me to wash clothes, now only to close and open gates. The worst is that Alex came out and didn't even say anything tangible. He was just trying to calm me down. For what now?
That one no be possible. Wait till
come on, gates man. Talking to me in that manner. For waiting. Person when I go train 10 times. Is they mad?
Relax.
It's not be about relaxing matter. I mean, it's becoming too much.
I don't understand.
What is going on? What's your problem? Huh? Let this boy be. You need to calm down, all right? You need to relax. Take it easy with this young man.
I should. I didn't hear you properly. I should do what?
Take it easy with
him. No, please, Alex. I am so upset this afternoon. Don't even add to it.
Why are you upset?
Why won't I be upset?
I don't get
you
why...
You stood there looking at that idiot while he insulted me.
He did not insult you. I was there. He didn't insult you.
That I asked him to wash my clothes and he said no to my face is not an insult?
At most, it's not his job. We'll have a laundry guy who comes to pick up laundry.
Alex.
Yes?
This guy comes to my kitchen to ask me for food.
And you give to him?
Yes, I do. That is why he should wash my clothes.
Out of your goodwill?
No, I give him that food so that he can be fed properly to do other chores in this house.
What? Your goodwill can't be conditional now.
Oh, well, that is my choice and not yours.
Really?
Yes, it is. Please, you would talk to him, else I would leave you so that he can play the role of your wife while I leave.
We'll get a laundry person. Talk to your friend. She's overreacting.
Relax. She'll be fine.
What is wrong with you?
Relax, alright? Calm down.
Come on, move.
Drama.
What's with the attitude now?
You still haven't said anything to me. I want you to explain why you allowed that idiot live in this house like he owns this place.
Are we still on that issue?
Of course we are.
No, we shouldn't be. Really, we talked about it. I made it very clear. He's the gate man. His job is to man the gate. You know, and not wash our clothes. I have a laundry man, very reliable guy. We call him, he shows up here, he does his job.
No one is going to come in here to pick up clothes when I have a domestic staff here, eating my food and doing nothing. Listen, if you're not going to trash this issue, then I will just leave. Yes, because I won't be insulted by that young man.
Listen.
Obviously, you are on his side.
Look, you've got to stop threatening me with the fact that you want to leave. It's all right, we're married. Stop talking like that, it's not nice. Alright? Theophilus is the gate man. At most, he would wash your car and wash mine. That's it. It ends there. You know, if you want, listen, if you feel that we'll have some domestic chores around the house that we need help with, I'll get us, you know, a maid.
Yeah, right. So you can cheat with her, yeah?
Is that how low you sing?
Oh, please.
Alright. I'll get us an older woman, an older lady, you know, someone in her late 50s.
Whatever. We'll trash that later, but for now, you have to handle this.
I have handled it already. Theophilus is the gate man, man's the gate, that's all. Handled.
You think you have handled it?
Yes, I have handled it.
Okay. Good night.
Can I come and cuddle? But indiscipline is indiscipline. If you're a new creation in Christ, how does that support you condoning indiscipline? Born again.
Oh my goodness!
Look at you.
How are you?
Look at me, I'm fine.
I haven't seen you in forever.
Alex, look.
Juliet, goodness. I have to say you look amazing.
Oh, thank you. You too. You don't look bad.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you, of course.
You know we're all getting old now, so you know. I haven't seen you. Last time we checked, we heard you were out of the country.
London.
Oh boy. What, you live in this town?
Yes.
Okay, well I just relocated here. Work brought me. I just set up business that you know, prospers here more. So it's only fitting that I relocate here, you know.
Okay. Me, I'm an actress.
Impressive.
Oh, yes.
I don't get to. I probably would see your work sometime.
Oh, sure.
What are you doing here? What, you came to get something?
Yeah, I just came to grab a few stuff.
Women and shopping.
Okay.
Julia, it would be nice to sit and talk with you sometime. I can get your number, right?
Why not? Why not? I'm in.
You're right. All right. I'll call you.
Oh, nice to meet you again.
Very decent place you have here, you know, your little heaven. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, small but neatly put together.
Thank you. Yeah, of course it's more. Just trying.
No, but it's okay.
Just trying.
No, but it's okay. You're not doing badly.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, what would you like to drink? What brand?
I'm not drinking. No, I'm not drinking. Calm down, relax. Don't do that now.
You know what? You're not drinking. You.
Don't do
Alex,
that.
you.
Don't do that.
Oh my goodness.
remember when I scaled this school fence? Just to sneak into my house, steal my father's drink, just to make you happy.
Well, not just me. We're all getting drunk and, having fun and all of that.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Remember the inter-house sports as well? In school. It was crazy.
Got so drunk.
It was a crazy
Oh my God, great memories.
Yeah, great memories, I tell you.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm trying to slow down on alcohol intake, really. So I, occasionally though, I'm getting older,
Okay. So tell me, are you married?
Oh yes, I'm married now. Got married recently to a very lovely lady.
Oh.
She's a charmer. Her name is Eva. She's a charmer. You'll get to meet her someday.
Of course.
Yeah. And how about you? What's going on with you? Tell me your love story. Are you engaged? You want to get married? What's the plan?
Come on, you don't ask a lady such question. I mean, what's the need of giving a toad a chair when you say it's courting? Of course I'm not.
I'm sorry.
Oh, come on. Yeah, I met this great white guy, really great, But when it comes to love, we didn't really connect. But it's okay. We're still friends.
Yeah, friendship is important too. It's good to know that both of you are still friends.
Yeah, sure.
You still talk once in a while. I mean, who knows?
Yeah, who knows, of course. So tell me about you, enough of me.
Well, you know me. I'm running my own business. I've always been an entrepreneur.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm getting a few things right with my life. I'm at a happy place right now. Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed it.
What? I loved it.
I know.
You can, no one can go wrong with your food though.
You too like food.
What are you talking? No one can go wrong with your food. I remember way back when I used to run to your hostel because of food. Yeah, run to your place because of food, because we are sure that the food will be good. Lord, see the way I'm sweating. What?
Oh my God, well, really miss you.
I have missed you too. So good to reconnect with you, So if I hadn't seen you at the mall, I wouldn't know you're in this town.
My dear, I've been around.
But you've been hiding now. You've been hiding. There's social media now. When we were in school, there was no social media. I think that we should all make efforts to reconnect. Yeah. When was the last time you saw Said?
Oh, Said. I can't recall, seriously. Like, it's been ages.
Yeah, because you've been out of the country.
There's
no internet where you are,
What about Chioma? You got eye on Chioma. I was so angry, I wanted to skin you alive.
You were just so jealous. Chioma was beautiful though. Sorry. I'm just saying that she was beautiful. Sorry now.
No.
No vest.
Before you leave, you have to vomit everything.
No vest. Okay, we're going to create a WhatsApp group. Try to see if we can have a reunion, but we won't put Chioma in the group.
Thank you.
That makes you happy.
Oh, yeah.
You're so jealous. She's probably married and has like 4 kids now.
I don't care.
Look, Annabelle, it is high time you leave my relationship alone.
I beg, stop yelling.
I mean, leave us alone. Leave me the heck alone.
See, Christopher, if you're not my friend, I won't be here talking to you. Are you okay? Are you sick in the brain? I mean, Henry is every woman's dream. Yes! What is it that you lack that he doesn't give to you? What is your problem? In this our time and age, where will you see any man that will come and be trying to even make peace with you with all you people have been through? And here you are, fooling yourself. All because of what? Your friend's man.
You know what? I know what you actually need. But you know what? I am going to leave this house, go straight down to my friend's house, and I'm going to stay there, and I'll leave you to have Henry. Dine with Henry. Eat with Henry. Eat Henry. Swallow him. I don't care. You know what? I know he paid you for all this rubbish that you're doing. But you know what? You have to leave me out of it.
So now I know you're very stupid. He paid me. How? You think Henry will pay me to come and speak with you? Even if he tries it, I won't take it. I'm only speaking to you because you're my friend. And if you're not my friend, I won't be talking to you because I've seen that you've lost it.
Annabelle.
I mean, stop undermining people's relationship for crying out loud.
Enough! Enough, Annabelle! Enough, okay? I am going to leave this house very soon because of you.
Oh, don't leave. Don't go. I will leave. I'm going somewhere.
Auntie, wait.
Yeah.
Where to?
My man called me, so I'm going to see him.
It's even better. God will bless you.
At least let me give you some.
Go! Let me have space.
Another man's man.
Morning, Harry. Afternoon, Harry. Evening, Harry. Christabel, Harry is this Harry. Jeez. Please go! Rubbish.
I'm still trying to understand this. Where did you go and got poisoned? I don't get it. Did you have a drink with anyone? Did you eat some? I mean, how did it happen?
I don't understand it myself. No. No.
You're sure?
Babe.
What are you talking about, Alex? Oh, your friend had poisoned your food.
I'm asking a simple question here. I want to know what is going on with me. Okay?
Look, I know how these things can be. I know how desperate women can be. You and I had our past, but you disappeared. You ghosted me. What was I supposed to do? I had to move on. And I'm asking. I came here one time, I ate something, and since then, it hasn't been the same with me. I'm asking you, Juliet, did you try to poison me? Because now I have moved on and I've gotten married to someone else. You need to tell me.
This is bullshit. You know what? I will never regret ever meeting you. But I regret ever thinking I could trust you. Get out of my house, Alex.
Look,
Oh, you heard me! Get out! This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy.
You see what I'm telling you? All these guys don't deserve anything. They are not worth it at all. How can you go to your man's house only to see another woman lying on his bed and he's trying to explain bullshit?
Chris, it hurts. It hurts so much. What haven't I done for him? I've always been there for him even when he had nothing. Do you know I sacrificed my school fees for him? Yes. I even paid for his lodge. What did I get in return? Heartbreak. How did I wrong him? How did I wrong him? How did I wrong him? Men are scum, men are useless.
Especially your own. Especially yours. That guy is a flat jack. He's so ungrateful. See, this is what I'm telling you. Go after the men you like, want, or you love. Not them coming after you. Because they're worthless. Like, I'm sorry.
At least your hair is not like him.
There she goes again. You're jumping from your matter to my matter. Look, you're the one that is heartbroken right now. You're supposed to be crying your eyes out because of what just happened to you. Stop talking about my affair. You should be learning from me, me.
Chris, I'm hurting. Broke my heart.
Sorry.
And I'm wicked. I hate men.
Very wicked.
I'll never love again.
You love, you love. Don't mind that stupid boy. All these campus boys, that's what they do. They are not that.
I'm not fine enough. What's wrong with
You
me?
are.
Did I get it wrong?
Sorry, stop crying. Sorry. Don't worry, you find love. Always go after the guys you like. Show them. Sorry.
Here, Philos, why did you call me out here?
What this thing we're talking about, you know enough.
No, tell me exactly why you called me here. Because you haven't said anything.
You know good for you. Eh? Okay, fine. I need phone. Better phone, no, this not better phone.
Oh God.
Okay, they laugh. Come, this one will be God. I did serious, I mean you see this what I'm talking about. I mean
You need a phone.
I need phone. I need not be nonsense phone. If you won't buy phone for me, you go buy this that phone now though. Good. You go buy me Samsung Fold 3. That's what they do like you. No be that will be if you open and wide, it will be like Bible. Samsung Fold 3. You can't name me can Bible, can't. That's what you go buy for me.
Theophilus, I should buy you Samsung Fold 3. Do you know how much that phone is worth?
You don't consign me. I don't tell you what I want.
Listen, 50 of this your uniform, 230 of this your shoe will not buy that phone. That is what you're asking me to buy for you because of that little secret between me and you.
Okay. You saw the enteram.
No, that little secret between me and you. That is what.
See, I don't tell you. It is. I don't mean you just I don't know better thing.
Jeffrey, what will you tell your boss? If your boss asks you how you got the money?
This English way they speak and English they speak. You understand? Just carry that English. Go speak with your husband if you come back. No, they speak English. I don't tell you. Forget that thing. No, they talk with kind voice. Which kind of command? Let me the command.
I know command you, but just bring your voice down.
See, what I go tell her, they my head. If I ask me, forget what you forget her. What I don't tell. I mean this, you know. I mean her. No people don't ask me better thing than me. Ask me better thing. You carry phone, they fly for my face. This I don't ask me anything. I don't tell you. If you don't give me this phone, wow. If you don't just give me this phone, this thing what I tell you now. I go tell Uncle everything what happen for this house. If you know, I don't tell you. Make it not be like say it.
See, Samsung is too big. Let me buy you Techno Spark.
Who's got me Techno? What this? No, before this one. This one, no before. Go tell I go tell me say you go buy me Techno. What do you Techno? This one I Techno. Which one better pass? They tell me say you go buy Techno to Wakana. Techno to Wakana. Go. See, respect yourself. I don't tell you phone when you go buy for me. I don't tell you the phone. No. Make you not come to say I don't tell you. I go talk everything. If you don't buy this phone, if you ask, I go tell Uncle everything when they happen for this house. I don't tell you now. Make you not say I don't tell you. I don't tell you.
See, the camera quality is very good.
See, respect yourself, Respect yourself now. Which kind of quality? No, tell me which kind of this one camera. You know the quality. You know the quality. Take the talk. I don't tell you. Nobody will anything for my Samsung Fold 3. Now you go buy for me. And like this week I give you. Like this week, if you don't buy me this Samsung Fold 3 this week, I go tell you say I be LP 78. LP 78. 78. Go and verify. That's what I want to take no. Take it. They tell me say go buy me take no. Netako take it to Wakana. Idiot. So take no.
Hi. How did I get here? Samsung Fold 3. Jesus.
Stop! Hey! You're going to hit me now. Stop now. What happened? What is it?
I just said make I go report. I see the point. I said just make a view at the thing. You understand?
Why would you go to why would you go to the kitchen?
No, since when you travel, since when you travel, when I know they give me food.
You are a bloody liar.
Is that true? You've not been feeding him?
At all. No, they give me food.
Seriously?
I'm asking you.
No, did you ask me that question?
No, but that's what he said.
And you believe him over me?
No, I haven't said
no,
so.
No, it is a wrong question to ask. You shouldn't have asked me that question in the first place.
There's chaos and I'm trying to find...
No! Listen. You see this fool?
What's this?
Warn you. Let me warn you. The next time I see you an inch close to my kitchen, you see this your bald head that ends here, I will scrape it if you get to the back. Try me. Try me! Come, pick that slippers. Pick the slippers! Pick my slippers for me! So how long are you out?
3 weeks, 1 month, tops. Yes.
No, come on, that's too long, baby. 3 weeks.
I know.
A month.
Yes, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, it all depends on how the contract goes. We're working with this Chinese company and they're quite demanding. And it's my job to ensure that things are in place. Sorry, I'm gonna miss you too, but you know, we've got to make the money. I'm gonna miss you. But I want to ask you a favor.
What is it?
Please. Please.
You haven't said anything. Is please the favor?
Please, baby. Please. Will you do it for me?
Babes, you still haven't said anything. You only said please.
Promise you do it for me.
No, tell me what it... Okay, I promise I'll do it.
Please.
I'll try. Can you stop pleasing already? What is it?
Please don't kill Theophilus while I'm away. Don't kill him. Please give him food. Take care of him. He's got no one really. He relies on me for practically everything. Even as I travel, I know he's panicking, but I've got to go. But I'm trusting and knowing that you have a lot of love in your heart. And you're going to be just nice to him. Please.
Okay. I'll try.
You give him food.
I'll try not to kill him. But if he does anything stupid, I'll kill him.
No, call me first before you do that. Don't kill him. Please. Please, honey.
Okay.
Ooh,
I've heard. I'm just...
Thank
I'm just going to do it.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello. Thank you.
What are you looking at?
No, sorry, ma. Sorry, sir.
Sorry for your little self. You go down the road to the fast food where you normally get me pizza. Okay. You remember, right?
Yeah.
I want you to get... Meanwhile, this is my cousin brother.
Oh, your brother?
Yes.
Okay.
He just came to town.
I see him. I see the Zeppelin. I see him. He say, your nose is like I said nose, and if you laugh, you get a hear the day. So, welcome, sir.
He's very funny.
Welcome, sir.
He's a bunch of trouble. Anyways, I want you to get me pizza and ice cream.
Okay. Now that place far.
Are you mad?
Sorry, ma.
Does it look like I'm complaining?
Sorry, sorry, ma.
What is your problem, Mr. Man?
No offense.
And please, when you get there, if the queue is long, make sure you wait until it gets to your turn before you buy. I don't want to hear that you went there, started dragging, or started jumping lines so that you buy first. If the queue is long, stand at the back and wait until it gets to your turn.
Madam, you don't forget. Nobody they tell me say, anytime when you say me go there, make I no stay for queue, make I join the jump line, make I no waste time. Where I call the taxi in? Sorry.
Take it easy, okay?
What is even your problem? Oh, baby.
Miss me? You miss Papa, huh?
I miss you, baby. Oh, it's your baby. Oh. You are lucky, baby.
Sweet, oh yeah, baby. Have you? Huh? Jesus.
It's not what you think of.
Yes. Yeah, oh, to do just. Amen.
It's not what you think. The thing is that, ant.
Yes.
Ant climbed my back.
Wow.
He now said that he wants to help me to remove the ants. So as he was trying to remove the ants from my back, and I saw a cockroach.
Oh, cockroach. For your body, why yes? Okay, for your body.
Oh. That's why he's not wearing shirt. I told him to remove it so that I can see the cockroach very well.
Okay. Ant enter your body, you will lie down. Then you come mount on top of you, you go see cockroach for your body.
Till I have chicken.
Oh, you have chicken?
Dry chicken.
Wow.
Fried it very well.
Chai.
With juice.
With juice, with juice.
It's very big juice.
I thought that will fire you. You see this nonsense when they do that? Thunder will not get mama and papa. And thunder will be orphan thunder. Let go kill you. You saw this nonsense, you see I'm what?
Eva, just hold on. Let me talk to him man to man. He's a man like me.
Thunder fire you, who be a man? Go me. Thunder fire you, the idiot.
Just calm down.
Okay, you know because it again.
That's you.
Should I now cousin Abi? Oh, okay, not because they again. Something. You are cousin where they go drop oil for your grease. It's alright. See. Make I just tell you a CP. You understand? If I make a stand like this, any day for this house, when I go, we say I go demand something, anything will be at all, and you no come give them to me the way as I take talk out. Okay, go see this video. Okay, go see this video as you carry your cousin. When you person when you call cousin, carry come here. They harass you. They kill you.
We're actually not cousins.
My friend, shut up there. Shut up there, idiot. Yeah, I tell you that target.
Tio, don't worry.
See that because of you, in fact.
Tio, see, anything you want. Just name it. Anything you want, I will give it to you.
Abi? Anything, Abi?
But let it just be a secret between all of us.
That's secret now. A secret between all of us, Abi?
Yes.
Anything wide, Abi?
Anything you want, Tio. Just name it.
Okay.
But delete the video.
Just delete it.
Are you serious? Make I delete the video?
Yes.
If I delete the video, let me see, don't finish me now. Guy! Okay, Jesus, okay, fine. I say, I know what you could do because I don't trust you. I don't trust you the weekend. In fact, make I send the video to my girlfriend, to my babe.
See you?
Yes, you go there safe there in case you thief this phone, scatter am.
Theophilus.
What do you just lost? You get sense, Abi? Make I delete am. Anything wey I do, you get sense, Abi? See, make I tell you. And from today, you dey pay me salary. Yes, Oga go dey pay me once, and you go pay me salary.
Salary?
Yes, salary. You don't know what is salary again? You know what is salary? You don't know what is salary? Huh? Because why you call the salary? I say you don't know what is salary.
A slip of tongue, sorry.
Okay, slip of tongue. Just know now, you go dey pay me, Oga go dey pay me from one side, you go dey pay me from one side. You understand?
Yes.
Good. Yes. And the money now, you go dey pay me 100,000 every month.
Oh, but Jesus.
What if what? What kind of? What if what? What was it? Oh, but it's your Jesus. Okay. Oh, you know what? Consider. Fine.
I'll pay.
Now you talk now.
I'll pay.
Cool. They pay me 100,000 every month. Or they pay me own, you go to pay my own. If you just they pay, as you talk about that, you no get problem. Nobody go see this thing. Oga no go see am. Okay. You go be secret between you and me. Abi? Oga cousin, she will dey here. You dey here, they hear the agreement, Abi? No, you dey here now, they hear the agreement, Abi? Say anything what I need for this life. food or money or anything, you just supply sharp sharp. You understand?
Yes, I'm here.
See. Now your marriage, I won't save you.
But you need to calm down and act maturely so that people don't find...
Fire you there! Idiot, wait till you calm down. I don't calm down. I don't calm down, cause it no be stand before. Oh, you okay, make I stand up.
No, just relax.
So you hear what they say now so it be. Yes. No fuck me up if you thank God say I don't send that to my babe. Okay. I better take this nonsense. Take care. Pizza.
Whew. Hi, Christabel.
Hello, girlfriend. Oops, what's that voice? Why is the voice so dull? What's the matter? Okay, I know you're missing him. Relax. You know what? I am coming to visit you during my semester break. Yes? Oh, of course, girl. You know I love goodness. I need you to keep goodness for me when I'm there. I know, right? Thank you. I love you too, darling.
I love you too.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Kai, Theophilus, what do I?
Are you going to our house or Alex's?
Alex's place, of course. They are staying together.
Have you seen Henry lately?
Yes, what about him?
That guy is sick. Like he's seriously sick. Instead of you to think of how you're going to see him, you're here busy thinking of how you're going to say this is your own first man. What is wrong with you?
I hate you for being too blunt. Who says I'm going to seduce Alex?
And what are you going to do if you're not going to seduce him? All I'm concerned about is that Henry is sick and you're busy planning on traveling. It doesn't make sense.
Oh, yeah, go and see him now. Is he not our friend? If I cannot go and see him, you go and see him and stand in for me. You get? Just do it. Since you are now his advocate. Okwaya, he's sick. You will have to go and see Henry. Is it by force? Go and see him now. Please. I need space.
This is all you have to say. Sorry, no vex.
You too, sorry.
Do as you wish until you carry one eye come back here.
Make I carry the one eye come back.
Another person man you won't go snatch.
Yes.
Rubbish. No go find your own. See your own where they there. They sick. They are the
Go cook for her. If I go marry her, I dash you.
What is the problem? I thought we've talked about this before. Listen, we made plans together. And I'm working on it. I can assure you that I am working on it.
What plans? Plans that he's taking time to achieve. Now his Getsman is beginning to torment you. You are not in love with this guy. You are in love with me. Babe, I can't even count how many times I've slept with you on his matrimonial bed. Why don't we quit? Why don't you just quit so that we can build our future?
Take it easy, guy. I don't need you to do this. Moreover, I love Alex. And you know it. But the thing is, I love you more. Okay? But we need to take it easy. We need to make plans properly so we don't fail. I'm just waiting to get that major code. Once I do that, we're good to go.
For how long? Because you keep joking about this thing. Honestly, if you have done this thing the way we agreed, we won't be going over it like we are doing.
So how do I convince you that I've been doing everything I said I was going to do? How? Babe, I want you to listen to me. I promise you, we will get this done. I didn't bring you here so that we can start arguing or fighting about this. I brought you here so we could have some fun. But here you are, stressing me.
I'm not stressing you. I just don't believe what you are saying. Because you are not in love with this guy. You are just in love with his money. Yes, his wealth. Can you just get these vital documents and let's leave for God's sake?
Okay. Can we just take things easy? Let's just have some fun. Listen, I know I promised you ₦1 million. I will give it to you. Alright? Come, let's have some. Oh. It's
Talk of the devil, I know.
Just a minute. I'll be quick with the call. Please don't say a word. Hey baby, hi. Oh, I'm fine. And you? I'm not home. I'm at my mom's. Yes, I went to see my mom. You know she's not feeling too well. I decided to pay her a visit. Yes, babe. Wait a minute, you are joking, right? Oh my God! Thank you so much. You see why I say I love you? See, in my next life, you will definitely be my husband. Alright, baby, thank you. I appreciate you a lot. Thanks. Alright, have a beautiful day and be good. Alright, bye. So you see what I'm going to tell you now is definitely going to put a smile on that face. So why don't you start smiling before I say what I want to say? You don't want to smile.
What is it?
What if I tell you that I am going to transfer ₦1 million to your account this minute?
Okay. I mean, it's good news, but I still need you to get these vital documents.
Shut up, you do talk too much. Come here, we came here to have some fun.
Are you going to do the transfer first?
What
now?
What is this? What is this?
Please make the transfer before you forget.
You too like more. Look who we have here.
That's baby. Civil mystery.
I missed you
I
too,
missed you,
baby.
baby.
You look good.
I look a bit trim, yeah?
Turn around, let me see ya. Just
Welcome, sir.
Hey, how are you? Get my bag.
Sorry.
Come.
I said, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Oh my God, you're so cool.
Do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah. Do you still remember? Come on, sweating, oh.
But I gave you details and I told you on the
No,
phone.
you did not.
I
Come
told
on.
you.
That's not true. Stop.
Hello.
Christopher.
Eh? Look who we have here.
Hello.
Christabel. Christine.
How are you?
I'm good. Look at you. You're looking so fine, girl.
It's just cool. It's just cool.
That's right, girl.
Hello, how are you?
I thought you said you were coming.
I saw unannounced. You didn't tell us
my
you're coming?
I already told your woman I was coming. I hope you kept my goodies.
Did you hear her? Coming from a tree. Auntie, you are the one who's just coming in. At least you're supposed to buy something. Come. Not coming to my house to come and ask me for something.
Now be you are the consi.
Auntie,
I beg you.
don't talk that to me. Where till you buy come?
Nothing. I'm going in. I'm
You're
coming
welcome.
to join you guys.
All right. How is Annabelle?
She's doing just great. Thank you.
I'll join you in a bit, okay?
Sure, I will.
I'll join you in a bit.
All right.
So I was back to business, okay?
What business?
See, no just lie. You told me a girl walked past your car.
No.
And I know you.
No, that's not how it happened.
There is no way that girl will pass and you will not say hi. Tell me
How
now.
about the girl passing and saying hi? Must it be me saying hi?
Oh God.
What
No,
did
they
I do?
lie you.
What did I do?
Hide it. And you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time.
How are you?
Hey, everybody we know.
Hey, baby. How are you?
What are you doing?
Come on, Alex. I am here because of you. I miss you a whole lot. I mean, ever since you stopped calling and checking up on me, I couldn't hold it any longer.
Yeah, I stopped because I have to work. I have been busy with work in my business. Stop. All right.
Alex.
What is this? What are you doing? What is this? What are you doing, Christopher?
Come on, Alex. Look, I am madly in love with you. Look, I need you. I mean, I can't stop thinking about you day and night, Alex. I need you in my life. Look, I don't mind if we even do things secretly. No one is ever gonna know.
Did you smoke something? Did you just say that you're here because of me?
Yes, I'm always here because of you. I need you. Look, I can do better than her. Oops. I mean, I can love you way better than her. Come on, just give me a chance, please, Alex, please.
All right, stop it. That's enough. Stop. Listen, I'm not that kind of man, all right? Christopher, you'll have to stop. You see, this is never going... Stop! I'm talking! This is never going to happen. Stop it. You're my wife's friend, not just a friend, her best friend. Have you thought of how this would make her feel?
Look.
No, you listen. Stop. I don't know where this is coming
Alex.
from. I hope that you have not misinterpreted my kindness and care for wanting you. I send you money so that you're comfortable in school. I call to check on you because you're a friend of the family, not because I want to have something illicit with you. Okay, stop it.
Look, Alex, now that she's actually asleep, can we just go to my room? Let me show you all the styles that she has never ever shown you. I mean, come on, stop playing hard to get on yourself.
Your plan is dead on arrival. I'm never going to do it. Stop.
Alex, come on.
Stop. Stop! Christopher, stop.
Alex, come on.
Stop it.
Alright, let's go. Let me see how you're gonna push me out then.
Theophilus,
Sir?
why have you refused to open the gate for Christopher? That's her at the gate.
Chidiki, person dead here.
You're mad.
Get the gate.
If you talk now, if person dey gate, talk say you dey gate too. Why go dey call Oga? Why go call Oga?
It seems you are high. Come on, get up.
What the heck? Only just if you talk now say you dey here. Why go dey go call Oga?
Alex. Alex, you see what I'm telling you? That guy is distracted. You need to see the kind of big phone he was holding while he was standing here. Let's see that phone.
What phone is she talking about? It's okay. What phone?
Nah, this is my phone. I don't dey press the phone.
Is that the phone you have?
It's a lie. Bring out the other phone on the other pocket.
Come, let me touch you.
Sir, see, Oga, see, you know, say, for this life.
It is here.
Okay, now this one.
Look at what you're getting into. It gets mad.
I don't know, sir, this way they talk, sir.
Shut up your mouth.
Theophilus.
Sir?
How come? How are you in possession of a phone this expensive?
This boy, they do Yahoo. Nothing when you go tell me.
We can shut up now.
Shut up.
You Oga. See, the papa, they do Yahoo.
Stop shouting. I'm asking you, who got you this phone? How did you get this phone?
So, sir, no best, sir. This one, a phone now, where my brother, one of my brothers, where that abroad buy for me.
But
He just dash me. You know, the phone no cost. Now this nonsense.
Theophilus.
Sir?
You have a brother who's able to give you a phone. But when I hired you, you told me you didn't have a family relation anywhere in the world. So how come you have this phone?
No.
Theophilus, this phone is close to 2 million naira.
Are you serious?
Current exchange rate.
Jesus, now I see the whole hour for those.
Samsung Fold 3. No be saying a techno, no be high-tech.
I see. So this is your phone.
Yes, now my brother, you know, say my papa, thank you, sir.
We shall get to the bottom of this later.
Oh, thank you, see. Oh, sir.
My friend, really one day I go lose you. I will give you a book. I cannot kill you for this.
You find what you know, find you.
Next time, let me...
Clearly something doesn't. But definitely I will investigate it.
Okay, good evening, sir. Madam, I hail you.
Theophilus, welcome.
This video start. This video say, hey, Jesus. Hi, your child. Daddy, so you want to do Pierre beg? God.
Theophilus.
Sir. She's on this 50.
Theophilus.
Sir.
What is going on here?
Okay. Oh.
Theophilus.
Sir.
What is going on here?
Sorry, sir. Now the film where they happen now. I say back I join on I watch the film. I just say back I follow the film. Yeah, Jesus.
You left your duty post. Walked in here to come watch a movie.
Boss, okay, that one you don't get any problem. See, I dey agile. As I dey here, and I need to have parallel. I go no, my antenna, it dey very strong. Once anything happen for that gate, wow, I go move. You know?
No. I'm lost right now. Eva, are you seeing Theophilus? You're not saying anything.
Understand? Which one, Eva? No, why are you calling my name? Did I bring you from the gate to the sitting room? What's your problem?
Come, my friend, who bring you here? Look at this customer. Come out, baby, stranger. Hey, you, out! Get out of my house! Get out!
Hey!
What is going on in my house?
The fact that he's even using a phone 3. Now what's in the boy in my house?
What is going on in my house?
Oh yeah, no be smart no. Jay, I be getting man, get.
Jesus, Theophilus!
What is that? What is that? Who is this one?
Wait.
What is Theophilus?
Wait. Let me digest this right now. Theophilus, you want to tell me that you walked into this kitchen and you dished this food all by yourself from my friend's pot?
Oh, who's your friend? Come get out with two.
Are you stopping? Are you stopping? Oh, Eva! This rubbish has to stop!
Sabi go to look at this girl. Nah, who you be? Because she just got. Sir.
Come here.
Sir?
Come here. If you make me come grab you, I am going to choke you.
Sorry, sir.
Come here.
Yes, Sabi, forgive me now.
I am going to make it simple.
Okay, sir.
Theophilus.
Sir?
It is clear that something is going on with you. I don't know what it is. But there's something wrong with you. And this time, you have beaten more than you can chew.
But Sabi, go. Forgive me now because
I am tired. You are going to go get your stuff together and leave my house this minute.
Hey.
Theophilus.
Sir?
If I come out here again and find you here,
hey!
It is going to be very ugly.
Hey!
Can you just imagine? If I don't understand the way you know they take this thing serious.
I don't just want any issues. Can you bring your voice down?
Hey!
My friend,
we don't keep have to go to my point. Can you just imagine this?
Theophilus, if you wanted something to eat, why didn't you come to me?
Is that because you're busy with you?
I don't wait. You dey beg I'm not understand you. Why you did take am easy with this guy?
Christopher, do you not want to teach me how to handle my stuff? No, you go take am easy. Calm down. What's this now?
I don't hear you. They beg us.
Bring your voice down. I'll just go upstairs and have a word with him.
Dr. Amao. Dr. Amao.
Bring your voice down.
Doctor.
You have it. Come here. If he comes back and sees you here, now me the first push. I say now, come on!
Do we know that your secret that you're hiding? Yeah.
Theophilus, I have a few questions for you.
Okay, sir.
You are sure that if you lie to me, I'm going to kill you?
Hey.
Theophilus.
Sir?
If you lie to me, I'm going to kill you and put you in a box.
Chineke.
When I travel out of this house to go and work.
Yes, sir.
Do you sleep with my wife?
Jesus. No.
Hey! Theophilus. Keep quiet. I'm asking you again. Think before you respond. Are you having an affair with my wife?
Samba, go, Chineke. No, now, sir. No, you can't. No, go forbid. May God punish me well, punish me. May God make me an idiot. Say me and sleep. You know the possible now. Sir, please, you know the possible. Yeah? See, sir, I'm a peaceful man, a man of peace. And at this peace, I try to preach for this house, to bring unity. But when I don't understand, go sleep. Nah, sir, you don't feel. No, it's my. Sir.
I told you in that there is something wrong with you.
Sir,
I don't know what it is.
I don't get problems, sir.
And I'm going to put my hands on it. I'm going to put my hands on it and I'm going to deal with you. Get on your knees.
Sir? Go. You didn't even enter my... Jesus, sleep. No, now. I don't feel do, sir. I don't feel do for you. You'll be a good person. You'll be a better person, sir.
Theophilus.
Sir?
I picked you from the streets.
Yes, sir.
Gave you a life.
Yes, sir.
Give your life meaning. You will not pay me back by stabbing me in the back if I find out that you have just lied to me.
I don't feel...
I'm going to kill you and throw your body in the laco.
See. Your wife tell me, say...
What did he say? What are you guys talking about?
No, you just come here and tell me, say, I didn't knock you. I don't tell me anything. You know, see me, I know that I didn't knock you.
I know, shut up. You see the problem? This is what I was talking about. Your arrogance is the cause of this. Eh? How you could talk? You said you could talk, you could reply.
I beg, I don't want trouble.
Which one do you know me?
See, as you did, now come out to make it don't serious. If you come meet us, then you could be fine. Go.
I see you need to take things easy in this house. If you keep disrespecting me like this, he will continue suspecting, thinking that something is happening between us.
Now, because I'm not... Oh, now make up that door. If you come back now, because you say... Sir!
Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin.
How are you?
Well, I'm okay. You demanded to see me.
Alex, do you still think I poisoned you?
What do you want me to think? I came to your house. You gave me food. And I started struggling with my health. The doctors said that I've been poisoned, food poisoning. And I cried to you and you just...
Well, it wasn't me. I didn't do that. I can never. Why? For what purpose?
It wasn't you. It's okay. I'm taking medication and I'm getting better.
Oh, well, let's get to it. Why am I here?
Do you trust your wife? Do you trust your wife so much that she can never hurt you?
Yes. Of course I trust my wife. I mean, she's my wife, you know?
Okay. Alex, I wouldn't want to destroy your marriage or see you broken. We were exes long time ago, yes. But you're a nice guy. And I can't see you get hurt. I'll always watch your back and I trust you would do the same for me. Right?
Okay, but I don't see where this is going now.
Okay, I saw your wife somewhere that I wouldn't want to mention.
Where? I mean, where did you see her? How? Where?
How about we put it this way? If you so think your wife loves you, why not put her loyalty to test?
What? Why would I want to put my wife's loyalty to test? I just told you that my wife loves me. I trust her. My wife and I are good.
Hey, everybody will know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember?
What is wrong? What is wrong with you?
Alex, can't you see the writing on the wall?
What?
Eva doesn't love you. Look, that's why she's busy defending the gate man. She doesn't even want you to do what is on your mind. Look, Alex, you need me. I would never be like Eva. I would never do that to you, Alex, please. Look, Alex, I need you. I love you.
Stop it. Stop trying to tempt me, okay? It will never work. Stop it. Stop.
Alex, just give me a
Stop
chance.
it. Stop. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it.
Alex, please. Look, I need you. I would not stop loving you.
Christabel, stop. You're joking. Stop. You don't know what you're saying. Stop.
Stop!
Let's go.
Rest. What's your problem?
Alex, please.
I'm going to throw you out of this house myself.
Nothing is hidden under.
You're crying. What is it? Why are you crying?
Sweetheart, talk to me now. Are you crying? Did I do something?
You did everything.
What?
Everything wrong you did. What did I do to you? Where did I go wrong? Why would you accuse me of sleeping with your Kate's man? Of all people, Alex. Of all people. Theophilus. Is that how low you think of me?
But you... I mean, you contributed to it. I see you, I see Theophilus. I don't know what is going on. You're constantly protecting him. You no longer scold him like you used to.
That is because you always frowned at me each time I scold him. You were always angry each time I had issues with him, and now I decided to be nice to this young man. All of a sudden I'm sleeping with him.
No, because I'm confused. I mean, your actions get me confused. I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. You protect him, you speak for him, you guard, you guide. Things around this place, have really changed. I don't know what is going on. I'm human.
So if you had a driver here, and a laundryman as well, and I decide to be nice to them, automatically I am sleeping with them.
I don't think that love you.
That is what you have been doing. Theophilus of all people, how could you?
I'm sorry. We can't be fighting about something like this.
No, you're not sorry. You know what? I can't be in a marriage without trust.
But I trust you.
This cannot work. You don't trust me.
I trust you, baby.
No.
You're not gonna give up on us now.
No, you can't tell me not to fight about it. If you had told me that I was sleeping with someone else, a man who does something good, not your kids, man. I'm leaving.
No, you can't leave me. Baby, please don't leave me. I trust you. And I love you. You know that I love you with all my heart. Please don't cry. It breaks my heart, okay? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just misunderstood the situation. I'm sorry. It's okay. Stop crying. I'm sorry. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Look at this stupid, dirty thing.
Christabel, take it easy now. Calm down.
I go take her easy with this guy that insults me. I'm your friend though. Hey!
You even arranged to before you come inside.
Me, stupid dirty thing.
Hey!
Me. You open this gutter. This gutter when you come and say stupid. Oh.
Theophilus. What's the problem? My friend said she asked you to open the gate and you refused. Why?
She's an idiot. Oh, yeah, we idiot. They don't cow. Look at this idiot. Who are you? You know man? Go. See, make I tell you. See this idiot when they hear now. She be nobody. This idiot just they para. They talk to me in the house. I say that she employ me. You know man?
My friend, you shut up.
Eva. Shut up, Sawaganya. No, let's see. Go. You see that way in the fine. If you see that, if you see her, if I enter you, okay, Jesus Caro. No. So I talk. No. See.
My friend, will you go and open the gate?
See, I won't consider out.
No.
Don't fire you. Don't one get Mama. When you get Papa and Uncle Nah.
If I talk to him.
If I enter this idiot, okay, Susie, how?
No.
Come.
Hey!
Come.
To your place.
I won't see. You beg me, I go open and go wash it. They say, go.
To your place.
Idiot.
Yeah? Fine boy.
See, madam, I beg, pursue this idiot come out here. Just pursue her come out. Just pursue this idiot. Pursue her, make she come out here. Pursue her. If I open my tell you what idiot.
Eva!
Come
on, get out!
Why do you want her to leave?
She has to leave.
Why?
That non-entity who I usually give money now has the guts to look me in the face and tell me that I'm having something to do with my gatesman. Oh no, I won't take that. That's a slap on my face. She has to go.
Listen, I advise that you let this matter rest, right? Christabel stays until she's ready to leave.
Christabel stays. Well, if she stays, then you know the other option.
Really?
Oh yes, really. Listen, 4 hours is all I give to Christabel to leave this house. Else, I will leave. What sort of nonsense is this? Okay, I see what you are doing. You're catching feelings. For who? Christabel. Anyways, that's fine. If you want to have anything to do with her, I'll leave you to enjoy your lovey-dovey. But I won't sit here and watch her insult me while you were moping at me doing nothing. She will leave, else I go. Hours is all I give to her to leave this place, else I will leave. And that's on period.
I am serious. I mean it. I am telling you the truth. Look, do you also know that your wife is feeding your gate man just more than she feeds you? Oh yes. She gives him money, she buys him phone, she even feeds him with her body. Is that the woman you want to take to the church to wed? Is that the woman you want to present as your wife? A charming, handsome-looking man like you.
Christabel, my wife wants you out of this house as soon as possible, and I'm trying very hard. I'm trying hard to hold her off. Please, please, do not speed up that process. I don't want it to happen just yet, not in a fashion that embarrasses you. Can you just slow down with these things? It's not necessary. Yes, what?
Trust me, all right? This is happening right under your nose.
Babe!
Yeah.
Shine your eyes, Alex.
Babe!
Yeah.
Oh, you're here. Babe, listen, we need...
What?
Something is wrong. This is not you. What is wrong?
I'm okay.
You're sure?
100. I'm good. I'm okay.
Okay. I know we've talked about this before, but it's just a reminder, babe. We need a maid. Look at the size of this house. I do the cleaning, washing, cooking, everything. I mean, it's too much on me. I just need an assistant. Please.
But your friend is here. Christabel could help out.
Christabel is not even here until weekend. She has to go.
Baby, we talked about this. I told you.
And yes, we talked about it, and I said
that I'll handle it.
I don't want you to handle it. She has to go.
Why?
And that's on period. She's leaving. Are we good?
Yeah. So I guess we'll finally need a maid, huh?
Yes, we do need a maid. This time, a mature woman. Someone older. I mean, someone who can bend and do everything. Not some...
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember?
I know her face. I know that face. That's the face I met at the hotel.
Do you still remember? Come on, sweating.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. I want to see someone in room 206.
Okay, is she aware that you're coming?
Sure.
Okay. Your name, please?
Miss Juliet.
Just need to go and drop off every other thing that we can do. I'm so sorry. That wasn't intentional. Alright. So here, the room key. Tell them to clean the room properly. And I left something in the fridge. Please tell Agnes to help me microwave it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Alright.
Babe, let's go. So you need...
Okay. So,
I've already called her. You can go. Okay.
that's the lady Alexandra is married to.
You're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it? Keep it, pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? My sweating,
Don't be my call. You don't know say I get online.
Shoot you. No. Why I go dodge your call? I don't tell you now. I didn't know my phone was ringing.
Okay, just go see 'em with your eye.
Wait, you mean what you said?
Christabel is with you.
You dey open eye?
Me?
Now I dey open.
No. Theophilus, we be friends now. Why will I open my eyes? No, in fact, my eyes are closed.
Okay, just go inside, go carry your eyes.
Did I inside?
I'm telling you. Wait, make I ask you.
What is this?
Come on, hurry.
Hey, what are you doing? What is this? Hey, what are you doing? Isabel, stop. Not now. Not in the mood. I'm not in the mood.
But she's gone. Now that she's gone, don't you want the sex?
No, I don't. Listen, you need to understand that you're wasting your time, alright? This is never going to happen. Stop it. Stop it.
Alex, are you sure you don't really need this sexy body?
I'm trying to take a nap. Alright? Just stop. Please stop. I don't like this. Stop it. Stop. Christopher, stop. Just stop. Stop!
Christabel. What? So this is true. This is what you do when I'm not in.
Yes. You know why? Because you don't deserve him. You are cheating on him with your gate man. Yes. You think I don't know?
You know what? On a normal day, I could beat Chris come off of your body. Like I could give you bat balls. I will hit the living daylight out of you. But you see today, I'm not just in that way because you're just a little tiny thing that doesn't deserve my time. But now I would advise you, go into that room, pick those dirty little things you left in that room, and get out of my husband's house.
Eva. To your worst.
I should do my worst. Christabel, I should do. Oh, I can talk, you say. Get from that place. Look at this. Get out from this place. Idiot. As for you, I won't be back. So this is what you do. So this is it.
What?
No, this is it.
What are you talking about?
What was she doing in the room?
What? What are you on about?
But of course she didn't let herself into this room.
You didn't see me fighting her off.
Listen, I saw her right on top of you.
But I was shrugging her off before you walked in. You didn't see that.
You know what? I would deal with this later. You shouldn't have let her into this room in the first place. I don't have time to deal with this.
What are you on about?
Where is that fool? Where is that now?
I did not touch.
See why I said you have a good heart? See why I said your heart is so beautiful? I'm here talking about us. And you're busy talking about someone who doesn't even care about you. Someone who doesn't even care about our relationship. It's okay. It's fine. I will think about what you said.
Thank you.
As for Christabel, I'm done. I don't want to ever walk that path again. I guess I have to take my leave now.
Okay.
Thank you.
What?
Why are you hugging my man?
You asked me to take care of him, and that's what I'm doing.
Why are you doing this to me? Henry, please.
Don't!
Touch me. Please, I beg you. It will never happen again, please.
Who wrote the script? Christabel, who wrote this script you're acting right now? Because damn, that person must be a very bad writer. Why don't you go back, Christabel? Why don't you go back to your friend's house? You know, continue trying to seduce her man. You never can tell. Boom! You might just hit a jackpot. Okay, you end up breaking the relationship and serving your friend the breakfast of a century.
Henry, please, it's you I want. I am sorry.
Don't touch me. You see this thing you call us? Read my lips. It will never ever happen again. I don't ever want to walk this path again.
Harry, please. I should have said anything. I'm sorry. Harry, please. Harry, please, I'm sorry. And please. Oh, what have I done? Anne! Harry, please, I'm sorry. It will happen again. I'm sorry. Harry, please.
So you actually went to Henry's house? To do what exactly? I thought you said you never loved him. And why are you crying? After all my advice hit the rock. Eva is your childhood friend. Alex proposed to her and paid her bride price just because he was giving you little tips. Fiam! Your brain twisted and you started lusting over him. I fear who no fear you. Ah, wow. I wonder the kind of heart you have. Eh? Just pray at least you have learned something from this one. Just imagine how you lost a good man. All because of what? You're lost. For money. Money, go. See, Henry has gone. You can't get him back. He's gone for good. You're here crying. Just look at yourself. Look at what you're doing to yourself. You're sitting down crying. I was advising you. At least I remember I spoke to you countlessly. I warned you about this. You're here shedding tears.
Why do I have to call this woman twice before she answers?
Chef! Yes, madam.
Jeez.
Good morning, madam.
Morning. What is that your name again?
Okay, my name is Teresa. But some people call me Mama Bobo or Mama Boy. That's what they call me in my village.
Whatever. Now listen to me and listen good. Now that my husband is traveled, I want us to talk personally.
Okay, madam, I'm listening.
You like your job, don't you?
Yes, madam.
And you know the reason you were brought here?
Yes, madam.
Which is?
To wash, sweep, and clean everywhere, get paid, and train my 4 children.
Very good.
I can also cook very well.
Wow. That sounds nice. But the most important thing I want you to know how to do is to be very sensible and mind your business. I don't like pork noses. Okay?
Yes, madam.
So now that you are here, whatever you see or hear should be buried in your heart. Anything or anyone you see in this house, whoever you see here, no matter how long the person decides to stay here or when the person wants to leave, shouldn't be any business of yours. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, madam.
Good. At least you will be able to train your children in school comfortably, meaning you will keep your job.
Yes, madam. Madam, look at me now. I'm an elderly woman. I like to mind my business. I'm not a talkative. I promise you, I'll focus on my job. Clean, wash, sweep everywhere where like Oga has told me. Because I need the money to train my children.
Oh, I'm beginning to like you.
Yes, ma'am. I promise, ma'am.
Let's keep it that way, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can get out of my sight. Please make me jollof rice later and bring it to my room, okay?
Yes, madam. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Hi, babe.
Hey. Hi, darling. Look who we have here.
Hi, babe.
Oh,
How are you, babe? Upstairs.
Everybody will know that your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under.
Babe, we had an agreement right from school days when Alex was coming to ask for your hand. Yes, we agreed that he paid the bride price and even carry on with the wedding plans. But I need to remind you that it was never going to work out. Now the visa is ready, and you of all people know that we need a lot of cash. Where is the document?
I already told you that I have the document, but it's just the photocopy. The buyer is insisting on getting the original copy. I don't know what to do.
Find it. Babe, turn the whole house upside down. Check the wardrobe, check the cupboard, check the kitchen. Search every single place. It's somewhere. Look, let me tell you. That first station is going to give us more than 500 million naira. That's one property Alex has that I have always admired. You need to find this document. Just think, where does he keep his properties, his documents, his files? It's definitely somewhere in this house. Babe, think. We need this.
Okay, I will. I'll think. At least now that we have the visa, we can't let it expire.
That is the point that I'm trying to make. What if he has a secret safe somewhere?
I don't think so. He tells me everything. I'm not sure he would keep that away from me. But I'll find it. I'll find it.
Just hurry up, okay? There is no time.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Teresa.
Sir.
What is it? Why did you wake me?
Sorry, sir. Madam's phone is at the sitting room, and Oga has been calling her. Please, where is she?
Oh, she stepped out to get something from me. Do not pick the call, okay? Just bring me the phone.
Yes, sir.
Do not pick the call.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come. Get me tea and bread, okay?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. Don't ever barge into the room again. What if I was naked?
I'm sorry, sir. I knocked, but there was no response. I had to come in and wake you up.
Then you keep knocking. Get out.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hi. Oh. Hi. Alex's wife, right?
Yes, Alex's wife. I remember your face. We met you at the mall the other day, right? Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Again.
Of course.
You're always here.
Oh yeah, my friend owns a shop here. How is Alex?
Well, he's doing great. I just came to pick up some things with my brother and my cousin, actually.
Okay.
Hi.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
He's my closest cousin.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
All right, my regards to Alex.
Of course, he will definitely hear. And you have a nice day.
Yeah, just take care of yourself.
All right, bye.
Yeah.
Busy, there's a car.
I think I've met this girl before.
Yeah, she's Alexis' ex-girlfriend.
Ex?
Yes, ex. Let's go. I'll tell you where you've seen her before. It's okay, let's go. Which one is? No, lie on the floor. Lie down there. Eh? So you are the one that turned on the TV in the sitting room and would not let me have peace in my own house again. What's that volume for? I'm asking you now, you are keeping your face like expired rice. Madam, what is the volume for?
Madam, I was watching TV.
You were watching TV in my sitting room. Now let me ask you, in your whole kingdom, your village, including your king, your family, your generation, both the ones that has passed and the one that will come, does anyone have that kind of TV? Have you ever sat down to watch a 50 inches TV before? You balanced in my sitting room, enjoying yourself. Madam, I was watching TV. See how, my friend, balance that your face. Come on, put a smile on that face. Nonsense. My darling, you said you wanted something to eat, yeah?
Yes, baby. I'll do pasta and chicken wings.
You heard him. He said he wants pasta and chicken wings, and please make it spicy. Who could get you about kind of a rice you give me? This is pasta. Alright?
Madam, please, what is that?
Huh?
What is what?
That thing brother said.
Yeah, the reason. 30 minutes is all I give to you to get that food ready. If you don't get that food ready in 30 minutes, if I come downstairs, you will not like me. And don't say so. Ask what I'm sorry. So my boyfriend, get out from here. Zuza.
Sorry, madam.
You see it?
She's such a dummy.
I don't know what she's always sorry about.
Wait, get yourself up.
It's very good.
You love it, huh?
I love it, baby. Apply more pressure, please. There. Are you tickling me?
I'm not tickling you.
Wow. Hi. Trouser, don't they go up small? Before you know it down. Wow. Everything will there for ground.
Theophilus, what is it?
See, I never receive a lot too. Which can wahala this one now? Which can trouble with this one now?
Theophilus, I'll send you the money. Just calm down.
You send the money to me. See. I'm not supposed to remind you all this thing now. Eh? Oga when no dey here, where they far, don't even wire me my salary. Why come be you when they here? When say me and you dey here.
Theophilus, it's okay. I'll send you the money now.
Send it now. So the way you suppose don't do since. Must I come here and remind you for all these things? They come blessing and trouble.
Sent.
I never see anything. No.
Did I not just show you the debit alert?
You never enter here now. You go enter here, I go touch, I never see him. Nah. You don't enter now. Correct. if you do it like this, we're not going to quarrel now. Yeah? See, as you just enter that. See, something will be say you supposed to do, you don't come do harm. You don't know say not sin. Yeah? If to say, as we did here now, wow, I did where I did receive and town. I for enter here. I for not enter here, see, trouser where they go up. It's possible. Yeah?
Theophilus, have I sent you the money or not?
You don't send them now.
So what are you still doing here? Allow me have my space.
No, you don't get problem. I'll give you space. But the thing be say, it be like I go come out. You know, say, as this thing don't enter now. You don't look me like that. See, myself, I get babe. You understand? I get babe. As this money enter now, you know, I need to go flex my babe. Touch places where we say she need make her touch her. All those gearbox where all you know I need to put all in there for the gearbox. Serving the gearbox, make it there flexible. Then the carburetor, all those places where they don't rust. Need to put cleaner, you know, so that you go there. You supposed to understand me now. Must I tell you everything? You don't understand what I mean? You don't understand?
Theophilus, so when I want to go out, who opens the gate?
There is a day there which you could do now. You too, you could help them now. No be to sit down here cross leg, make this idiot. They push the trouser go up. This is a combined effort. If there is a no day available, you help them. Yeah, like I said, okay, no day available now. This idiot they help. Now combined service. Long service the other evening service. You go do them. You understand? Now mutual understanding. You understand?
Alright, no problem. Thank you.
Yes, no, enjoy. See face. God, see. I don't see how. The trouser, your trouser, you know, the shape don't change. I know as the position there before, but now, the position don't go one side. Before you know it, now, no jogger. Don't worry. No, continue. As you know, say, that time where I enter, your leg be on top, try to go. As you come back, when I start from, continue from where I stop. You understand?
Theophilus, please, can you allow me? I've sent the money to you. What are you still doing
no,
here?
Now, the next place, I say we're going to continue. You understand? Come, who they look like that? You see this idiot, why they look like that? Who they look like that? The what? Idiot, see face. Don't worry, they do what they do. One day, it will happen. One day, you see that Oburu, that place where you are trying to day, you go catch fire. And when you catch fire, the only you go punch up.
Theophilus!
This guy is beginning to get on my nerves. Really, he
Why
is.
Are you calm down?
Maybe just enter. Yes, so this is it. Come. I know they like this nonsense.
Welcome.
Thank you. Now my cook. Yes. I they pay them. I be just you know, you get as person good day, just they do it. Like, I don't want to suffer you. I just employ and wow, so that you go they cook something for there. Yeah. Now my baby be this. You understand? Welcome. What be this now? Do like human being, no they do like teddy bear. Welcome. You don't sleep they catch you. I better lock this gate.
Your uncle's house is so big and beautiful.
Okay, you like the house? It's beautiful. I know. Say you go like him. Yes. Bia Teresa. Bia. Come close. See, this is my baby. The only sugar in my tea. My wife to be. In fact, my wife. You understand? I can't come make she come see where I stay. You don't tell where they worry me. So no play with them. You understand me? You don't hear one? No play with them. They concur.
Yes, sir.
See, if you enter inside now, I want you to make wonderful meal. Baby, what do you go to? No, wala. Just go inside, do toasted bread, and then 8 eggs, fry it. No, make it 10. 10 fried eggs with juice, so that.
How many juice?
One go there.
One. Yes.
No, make it two. You there here. Juice full everywhere now. Egg full everywhere. Juice full everywhere. I'm gonna talk 1, 2, so that you go enjoy well. You understand? So move. No waste my time. See, no waste my time, oh. No, you don't hear me?
Okay. Sir.
Go inside. Go inside. No waste. You happy, right? Yeah. Who is my uncle? Come. Uncle is an idiot. That idiot, that man, he travel. No only be this and that, and they run and nothing they happen. You don't get problem. I dey here.
They under my control, no. Anything I want to hear, she go do. She no get choice here.
Harry. Good day, ma'am. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
Ma'am,
You what? You don't? Who is she? How did she get into my house?
Paul, what did happen?
your boyfriend.
Yes, yes. What did happen here?
Oh.
No, make I know now. What did happen?
Your girlfriend?
Shit, I hope she don't harass her.
Come on now.
Wait. They harass you?
No.
She don't harass you, Abi? Come. I hope she don't put something for this drink. Huh?
I'm so sorry. I didn't know she's your visitor.
Visiting? Come. I don't tell you say I get babe. Now my babe also visitor. Now my babe.
Oh, babe.
Yes.
How nice. You're welcome, darling.
Thank
she's
you.
quite beautiful.
Thank you. You see this way talk now? I like him. She's beautiful.
Theo.
You have come. What is that? Why they spoil my name? What is Theo? What do you mean Theo? See, my name no be Theo. My name na Theo. Theo. If you come with Theo, not Theo. Call her, make I hear you.
Theo.
Yes, so the last line, nothing happen. See.
Okay.
Yes.
Have a nice time, okay?
Yeah, see that? You dey fear? Sit down. Nobody get power. I mean, they charge. In fact, as you dey here now, you get level pass everybody waiting for this house. You get level pass out. No, you don't need to tell me this scared. See, na me dey here, na me dey in charge. If you want to sit down like this.
This is the last time I'm going to take this. I mean, Jesus, I am so livid right now. I am so upset that I don't even know what to do right now.
What's going on?
You wouldn't believe it. I went downstairs to have a word with Teresa. Getting to my sitting room, I saw a dirty little brat in my sitting room. Before I could say a word, Theophilus appeared from nowhere, telling me the girl is his girlfriend. He invited her over to my house. He brought a girl to my house. As if that was not enough, he offered her drink from my fridge. It was just so I was so close to strangling him. Jesus Christ. Hi, how do I deal with this?
I wonder why all our plans to eliminate that fool hasn't worked out yet, because that's the only way out.
My dear, that is almost near impossible. The new one he has learned now is to tell me to taste everything I give to him to eat or drink. Can you imagine that? How am I supposed to deal with that? How?
Why is he behaving this way? I mean, it's so wrong for him to bring his girlfriend into the house. The neighbors might see him and tell Alice. And that is very dangerous to our plan. Babe, this is what you are going to do. Go downstairs and tell him to move the girl to a hotel that you are going to foot the bills. Just anything that will take him and the girl out of the house.
Jesus Christ, I don't know how to deal with this young man. I'm still trying to deal with the fact that he collects money from me like I'm an ATM. Now this, a girl in my house.
I mean...
Just calm down, okay?
You know, I am trying so hard to calm down. Eva, just take it easy. Take it easy. Calm down. Just calm down. Take it easy. I actually called you out here so that we can have a one-on-one talk. See, you can actually do anything else you want in this house. But you see this, your girlfriend. She can't be here. Yes. If your Woga comes back, what do you want us to tell him? Eh? How do we explain this to him? He will not be happy about this. You're not supposed to bring a girl home now. Theophilus, it's not nice. See, I'm begging you. I'm not quarreling. I'm not fighting. Please, just take the girl out of this house. Anywhere you want to take her to, a hotel, anywhere, but just take her out of this house. Wherever you take her to, I'll pay.
Okay. Make a car and go anywhere you go pay.
Anywhere.
Anything you go eat, drink, tab, everything you go pay, Abi?
Yes, I'll pay.
Okay. No, that's what I'm saying. Hey, that one no problem. You understand, man? No verse. You understand? No verse. You know, we take the car and come here. Come to say here in my brother's house. Now because this girl don't finish me, so that she would respect me. Now, as I did here, no well, Konji don't finish me. Oh, yeah, every time you just here go down. What if that now? You know what they say? Yeah, you get on down.
No.
But they do it with let's say the smell. I say here the moment you have not finished. So I just say make a car so that she could respect me. You understand? You know, so that if I finally can go hotel anywhere, she will give me the access to the touch. The touch and then enter the other side. You understand? Yeah? Now you say make a car and come for hotel.
No, it's not a problem. I'll pay, okay?
You pay, Abi?
Just take her.
See what you go happen. You go first of all transfer money to my account. So I go now. So that when I reach there, we talk, we do all that things. I cannot call you, say see or see the bill, Abi?
Okay.
What you I will pay. You don't know be so people come out for it.
I just said I will pay.
But you know when they take the do, I say I will pay.
Theophilus, please just take her out.
Come. See. No. Eh?
Teresa! How many times do I have to call you before you answer?
Please go inside the kitchen. The soup in the freezer. Defroze it. Oga is almost close. Yes, madam. Go.
Sorry, madam. She's always sorry. Sorry for what?
Maurice. Get up.
Babe.
Stand up. Listen, we have an emergency. You need to leave now. Put on your clothes. We need to go.
What's going on?
Alex is back. He's at the airport right now. You need to leave.
Oh,
stand.
Alex.
Why are you mumbling? Can you just stand up already?
Grab my clothes.
Do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hide, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody know.
Hey, puppy! Look who we have here. You're welcome. Oh, you were welcome. How was your trip?
It was fine. The trip itself went well. It's just that on my way back, the car started giving me issues.
I was going to say, because it took you so much time from the airport to the house.
Yeah, and then I called Ade, you know. Number switched off. I've been calling for hours.
Oh.
Yes, and I have another round to make this evening. And I'm thinking if we can call the other guy. I think the other time he came here, he did a good job. So just call him, to look at the car and see what the problem is.
Who?
The guy, I don't know his name. The guy that was fixing my car one time, he said the car didn't start. I had just returned from a trip.
Oh, Morris.
Yes. I complained why you'd let a new person touch my car, and you told me that, okay, Theophilus had brought him in. So both of you exchanged contacts, and you remember we paid him 20,000.
Yes, I remember. Yes. And I think his number is on my phone.
Please.
Okay, I'll just I'll go upstairs quickly and get my phone so I could call him. I'll just
all right, please.
You're welcome.
Thank you, honey.
I thought you said you wanted to have.
Yeah, I was going to, but so let me sit with you a while,
That's very sweet of you.
Right.
So do you want me to fix you something too?
Yeah.
Oh,
okay, that's him.
the mechanic is here.
Oh, okay.
Morris.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, hello.
The thing is, my husband's car's got a little issue, and we need you to fix it.
Okay.
Oh, Theophilus.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Yes, you were not at your duty post when I returned.
Yes, sir, I want to buy something. I normally go to buy something for madam. You didn't tell him that you said.
Oh, yes, I actually asked him to get me something.
Okay.
So that.
Okay. So what is wrong with the car?
I'll tell you shortly.
Are you expecting anyone? Why do we have police officers here? What's going on?
Okay, please.
What is going on here?
I will tell you what is going on here. In fact, you are a lying and a cheating wife who takes advantage of my nephew's busy schedule to sneak in your worthless and stupid boyfriend to come and sleep with you under your matrimonial roof.
Excuse me the hell out of you. Who the hell are you to speak to me in that manner?
I'll tell you who she is, you lying bitch. Eva, how can you do this? What did I do to you? Oh my God, Eva, I loved you, like, with all of my heart. The one job I had to do was just to love you and care for you. And what do? I travel to work hard so that I can give us a good life. And what do? You bring this little prick into our home. And you sleep with him. As if that wasn't enough, you make an attempt on my life. You try to poison me so that I can die untimely. Why? I have done nothing but to love you selflessly, Eva. You do all of that under my roof in connivance with this riffraff that I picked off the street. This is how you all do me. This is how you do me. This is how you tell me thank you for being a good husband. You do me like this.
You need to calm down. You need to listen to
you
me.
shut up. Explain what? Are you so shameless? Are you this cruel? So after all the atrocities you committed, you still have the nerves to open your mouth and ask forgiveness? For forgiveness?
I don't know what came over me. I don't know what came over me.
The die is cast. Take your lousy self out of here! Officers!
Okay, I don't follow.
Not even today. One more word from you, I swear.
Officers, do your job!
It's not the day. Officers, please pick this people up.
Officers, do you need me to teach you your job?
You are not going. You're not going to touch me. You are not going to touch me. Move.
Officers, do I need to teach you your job?
Officers! Do your job, please.
Hey, my friend, keep quiet.
No, make I tell
You all have to remain silent. You all are under arrest for the offense of conspiracy, attempted murder, and other offenses. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in the law court.
I'm an informer.
Shut up your mouth!
Shut up!
Everybody will know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it? Keep it, maybe for somebody know. Do you still remember nothing is hidden under the sun? Do you still remember? Mama is always waiting. Do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin. Do you still remember? Mama is waiting. And you think nobody will know. It's just a matter of time. Everybody
I feel that my wife is having an affair with my kid man. It sounds weird, but I can see it. Like it's obvious. The signs are everywhere. Something is going on. Something is off in my house. But I just need proof. You know?
I don't think he's your gate man.
What are you talking about? What? Are you trying to say that my wife is sleeping around? No. Different man. You know what? I'm here for that test you talked about. Yeah.
Allow me to come in this way. I feel this will make your finding more easier. Does your wife know all your family members?
Some of them were out of the country when we got married, you know. She hasn't seen all of them.
Okay.
But eventually she will, you know.
How about you call one of your aunties to come play as your maid?
What?
Do you have any favorite aunt?
Yes, I have a favorite aunt. Her name is Auntie Theresa. You know.
Okay, good. This Auntie Teresa, does your wife know her?
No, they haven't met, and Auntie Theresa was out of the country undergoing treatment when we got married.
And what about your gate man?
But like I said, she hasn't been to my place. She only just returned to the country, so Theophilus does not know her.
Okay, good. So, why not bring in Auntie Teresa to play as your maid? She'll be the one to give you the information you need. She'll tell you everything that has been going on in your house, in your absence. Then take a time off, relax, just travel, go somewhere, be calm until your aunt tells you to start coming. By then she must have gathered everything you need to know. That sounds good.
I have to do all of this because This is ridiculous. You know, I have to reduce my Auntie Theresa to a house help in my house because my wife has chosen to be dodgy and irresponsible. Huh?
That's the game. You're lucky none of them knows Auntie Teresa.
No, that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? And you think nobody will know? It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody will know that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting, oh. Yeah. Do you remember that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside? It's just a matter of time, and everybody will know that's your little secret that you're hiding. And you think nobody will know? It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody will know that's your secret. Yeah, that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody will know that's your little secret that you're hiding. And you think nobody will know? It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody will know that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting, waiting at the door. Yeah, do you remember that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside? It's just a matter of time, and everybody will know that's your little secret that you're hiding. And you think nobody will know? It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody will know that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin.
They say that true love is a once in a lifetime experience. But with you, Juliet, it looks like life has given us a second chance to try. I have been through hell and back, but you have stood by me like a rock. time, have proven you to be my strongest ally. Even though I'm scared to try again. But the heart wants what it wants. I'd like to try again with you. So I've come here to ask that you be mine for the rest of our lives.
Yes, I will. I have always longed to be with you. I will.
Did I stop loving you? I'm not sure. Come here.
She no get choice at all, no. Jay, if not money I want to, she go give me double. To save Fugadi, her little secret I know. Jay, she been out for this house, you go hear no. Messia give any, you better no. Jay, she not me and you for this house, you go hear no. Na big man on life, oh I go deliver. With this your little secret where I know to close my mouth to madam, oh you must pay dearly, oh Jay, oh you come and see my getty man swaggy, oh madam, Messia give I so any, but Oti, oh yeah, no be smart, no. I be getting man, we getting swag.